What is up, guys? Madman12 here, and today I'm going to be unboxing Resident Evil 4 for the PC. This is the front cover, and here's the spine, and here's the back. This was like one of the best games of all time. I do have it for the PS2. And let's get this unboxed. Alright, so the plastic is off. Let's get it open. So upon opening it, you have your disc right here to the right. And you have your classic manual, which game companies no longer supply. Here's the front. Let's take a look inside. Take a look here at the back of the manual. And that is it for Resident Evil 4 unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like, comment, subscribe. And as always, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Later, guys.